Upblast and Downblast describe roof fan discharge arrangements, not application approvals.
Start by asking what is in the airstream: Type 1 grease, Type 2 heat and moisture, general environmental exhaust, or hazardous process exhaust. The classification controls the decision.
An upblast unit directs discharge generally upward. A downblast unit redirects air downward or outward beneath a weather hood toward the roof zone.
Geometry changes plume path, roof interaction, weather exposure, sound boundaries, and maintenance, but proves no listing by itself. Commercial kitchen grease exhaust is a listed fire safety system.
A generic downblast fan must not replace a Type 1 grease exhaust product.
The reverse also matters. The word upblast, a grease cup, or a rendering does not prove the required listing, construction, or code acceptance.
Upward discharge can improve plume projection and avoid directly aiming grease-laden effluent at the roof.
It cannot guarantee zero odor, smoke, grease deposition, re-entrainment, or fire exposure. Wind, discharge velocity, temperature, parapets, walls, and nearby receptors remain decisive.
Downblast arrangements can serve many general exhaust duties when the exact unit is approved and correctly located.
The hood and roof interaction can add resistance, create recirculation or staining, and affect weather behavior. Compare the complete tested assembly, not an open bare fan. Map every roof receptor, outdoor air intakes, doors and windows, property lines, neighboring buildings, parapets, walkways, equipment, pedestrian areas, and prevailing wind.
Clearance requirements are exhaust and jurisdiction specific. One universal distance diagram is not valid.
Compare airflow, static or total pressure, complete electrical power, and sound at the same duty and declared boundary. Identify whether curb, roof simulator, hood, shutters, screens, dampers, and adapters are included.
Complete downblast ratings cannot be mixed with bare fan data. The fan belongs to a complete ventilation system.
Hood capture, appliance duty, grease duct and fouling loss, replacement air, transfer air, building pressure, and combustion appliances all affect performance.
Roof fan CFM alone cannot prove capture and containment.
The roof curb, opening, flashing, membrane, drainage, corrosion protection, snow and rain exposure, structural support, and wind or seismic anchorage are part of the selection. Product weight and curb size do not replace project structural and weatherproofing details. Grease service needs exact drains and reservoirs, hinge and restraint, flexible weatherproof wiring, cleanable access, fire system coordination, and approved components. Never show grease draining onto the roof, an unrestrained tipped fan, or a generic damper obstructing a grease duct. Permanent roof access, safe working clearances, lifting paths, roof edge fall protection, guards, disconnect, and hazardous energy controls determine whether the fan can be maintained. A switch-off command is not isolation, and remote or interlocked restart remains possible. Release the decision only with airstream classification, adopted code and authority review, exact listing, complete unit certified performance, hood and duct duty, replacement air balance, roof receptor plan, plume assessment, curb and structure details, drainage and cleaning, sound, access, fall protection, guarding, and lockout procedure.